So as you work along inside of HitFilm, in the timeline area, what happens is that you may have a lot of video tracks and you may have a lot of audio tracks as well. And it may be hard to know which track is which. And for the same reason, what you can do is you can rename out tracks. For example, over here, let's say these are the main video files over here in the first track. Then what you can simply do is you can right click on that particular track and rename the track right here. So you can go around and click on rename and type in, let's say for example, main videos right here, just like this. So once you go around and type that in, then these are the main videos as you can see. I'm going to go around and rename out the track, and let's say these are going to be fillers right here. And this is what you have. I'm going to go around and rename, let's say these are going to be scenes right here, just like this. For this one, maybe you want to go around and rename the track as voices right here, just like this. So you know that these are the voices track. And I'm going to go around and rename the track, and let's say this is going to be background music right here, just like this. Similarly, you can add another audio layer, let's say for example for SFX, that is sound effects right here, just like this. And you can see that it is much more easier to identify which layer is which if you were to go around and rename out the layers just like this. And that is how you can rename it. So another thing that happens is that as you work along, maybe you go around and add in another track right here and another track, and some of the tracks may be there. Like some of the tracks may have video clips while others may not. So some of them also may have audio clips right here and some of them may not. So if you want to clear that out and only keep the tracks with videos and audios, you can see, like you can scroll down and see that in these three tracks right here, there's no video at all. And over here as well, in these tracks right here, there's no audio at all. And if you want to delete out all of the tracks which are empty, then all you need to do is you can right click and then select delete empty tracks right here. Once you go around and click right here, then all of the tracks without any of the clips or content gets deleted, and you only have the tracks with the content remaining, which clears up the timeline space inside of HitFilm, as you can see right here. And that is how you can go around and delete empty tracks and rename out tracks inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.